Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video I have discussed about that infinite loop. Now I want to discuss about that nest loop. There is a nested loop. Perfect. So what exactly that means? That means like there is our for loop, right? Here I want to like that is index. Okay, I better name it as Ariyan, and that is our Ariyan initial value as a 1. And then I want to make it as Ariyan. That will be our condition. That will be as a for the 5 times this loop will be run, and then or make it as a 3. Okay, I make it as a 3. That means for the 3 times that will be run, right? And that is our operator. That means here that will be incremented 1 by 1, and into the console log area I want to load out this variable as Ariyan. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, now you can see it's now print as a 3 time, which is totally fine. So what exactly that nested loop? Nested loop means here into the for loop area, here if you want to load another for loop, then that will be as a nested loop. I just want to do here, I want to take another for. Okay, I take another for, and into this for area I take another variable. I initialize with the Kazi. Okay, Kazi, and I initialize with the 1. Into the for loop I want to add another for loop in here, and also the same condition I make it as a Kazi, and that will be also less than or equal 3. Okay, equal 3. Then I want to make it this Kazi will be automatically incremented by 1. So that is auto incremented. Okay, and here I want to print our this Kazi. Like here I want to cart it, and then I paste it, and now I want to print our Kazi. So what exactly that will be in here? Here that will be actually for the first time that I want to add some of the comment out. Okay, there is a comment, and then comment ended. There is a Easter and then hyphen. Okay, great. So here what exactly it should be like for the first time, that will be started from the 1. Right, so that will be started from the 1 for the Ariyan. That means our Ariyan value will be as a 1. Then that will be redirected to our another for loop. Another for loop, our Kazi will be started by the 1. That means then that will be as a 1. Okay, and after that it should be not redirected to our first for loop. It should be redirected to our again here. Okay, that means this loop will be run again. That means that will be again as a 1, and then our this Kazi value will be as a 2. And then again that will be as a 1. That means our first one will be stable, and then that will be again loaded as a 3. Okay, that means our this Kazi will be as a 3, and after that this loop will be stopped. Right, after that this loop will be stopped. Again it should be redirected to our first loop, and into this first loop now that will be as a 2. Okay, then that will be as a 2, and again that will be loaded. That means then again it should be as a 1. Sorry, then that will be as a 1, and then again the 2, and then that will be value as a 2, and then the 2, and then that will be as a 3. Right, again our this loop will be stopped, and then that will be redirected toward this 1. That means our first loop, then that will be as a 3, and then our again this loop will be started as a 1. Okay, sorry, that will be as a 1. I hope you get some of the idea. So that is the nested loop. Like if you check it, click as a save all, and now if you go click as a refresh, so it's display only our Kazi value. Here I also want to display that our Ariyan. Okay, so that means here first of all I want to display the Ariyan, and then I want to display our this Kazi. Okay, now that should be very clear. Now click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, yes, you can see same. So that is the same value. For the first time that will be loaded or 1, and then our second Kazi loop will be loaded as a 1, 2, 3. Then that is stop. Then that our first one is the Ariyan loop as a 2, and then our second Kazi will be loaded 1, 2, 3, and then 3. I hope friend it's very much clear to you. So that is the one of the nested loop. If you want to use one of the loop into the another loop area, then that will be called as a nested loop. And how that nested loop work, I hope it's very much clear to you. So that is pretty much a basic concept. I hope you get that concept, how that concept actually run. In our next video, I'm going to start a new session. It's about that string in JavaScript. As I told you friend, that is all that basic things, but it's very important. Make that sure you understand and remember and code with me, because friend, everything will be needed later. So if you understand that main core functionality, as I told you, JavaScript will be very easy to you friend, trust me. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.